Namaskar and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to HSBC HR News Today. Today we have for you the latest spicy chatpata gossip straight from the desks of HSBC HR News just for you. To begin with, the lead news. Ah! What's that? Oh, that's nothing. Just breaking news, guys. Breaking news. Unconfirmed reports from reliable sources swear that Miss Tanuj Kapilashami, head HR HSBC, is leaving us. Oh my God, that's terrific. Sorry, that's terrible. Well, the unreliable rumor seems to be true after all. She's slated to join the group company at HSBC London. Imagine that. She can now meet the Queen anytime she wants. And Almeida, her cabin will be like just few cabins away from hers. And all the meetings that she can have with Nilesh on cost, on meeting etiquette, phone etiquette. I mean, Tanuj must be really happy. And why not? She is a people-centric person and loves working with people. Which brings me to the point, people must have a zillion of questions going in their mind. Who's going to come after her? What's going to happen to HR? Is there going to be a man or a woman? So many unanswered questions, and all the answers you will find right here at our sets at HSBC HR News, only for you from us. And to complete this mission, we have a very important team of Neeti and Chintu who are going to roam the corridors of HSBC to find out the answers to exactly these questions. Ab hoga khulasa. Neeti, can you hear me? We are waiting for you. We're so impatient. Neeti, can you hear me? Neeti, what have you been doing, Neeti? We are waiting over here. Hurry up. The camera is rolling. I mean, come on, hurry up.
Yeah. Hi, Natasha. Yeah, Natasha, tell me. Yeah, I'm just coming. I'm just going to the department. Just 1 second, yeah? Now my candid camera is also ready. I think now I'll just go to the department. Rolling, action.
Neeti, where are you, yeah?
Hi, Susie.
Hi, Neeti.
The audience definitely needs to know what Susie has to say about this whole affair.
By the way, did you hear?
What?
TK is going to London.
What?
Susie, are you fine? Susie?
What did you just say, Neeti?
You know she's going to London. You didn't know?
No, I didn't. She just never tells me anything.
Yeah?
So, I mean, the fact that she's going, is it good? I don't think it's good. I think it's just great.
Really? Why do you say that?
Hey, this is such a fantastic career move, yeah? It's London, it's the UK.
You know, she's your boss or her secretary. You almost deal with her like 24/7.
Well, I wish I got to deal with her 24/7.
Really?
I think, she likes to meet people so much. Her diary is always full. There are times when I need to take time to go and see her.
She is quite people-centric, you know.
She's
So being with people really comes very naturally.
She's a human in human resources, is what I think.
Okay. Right, Susie, I'll catch you sometime later.
Neeti, this is an absolutely bakwas piece of news. It's not going to work.
I know, yeah.
Our audience needs something better, something more interesting.
I hope the next one's better. Let's just see if the next one's any better.
अरे यार, ये इज्जत का सवाल है. हमें अपना स्लीजी रेप्यूटेशन बरकरार रखना है एज रूमर मॉन्गर्स. सोचो जरा, अभी अगला न्यूज बहुत चटपटा होना चाहिए. Who did you say, Neeti, we have next? Shoma, is it?
Hey, hi, Shoma.
Well, I hope she is more interesting than the previous person.
Hello.
Hi, did you hear the news?
What news?
Are TK is going, no? It seems she's going to London.
Well, does that surprise you?
So what do you feel about it? What do you think is going to happen now that she's going to go and someone else is going to come in?
Yeah, I think it'll be completely different over here, especially for some of us who are used to her style and used to working with her. It'll be quite a
It's
change.
quite boring, right? Quite a little dull once she's gone.
I agree. I think it'll be quite boring and quite subdued, and I just hope it doesn't. I guess we were just used to a very sort of informal style, and we were used to a lot of energy around the department. Very few people are genuinely so passionate about what they do. Most people sometimes think of HR almost like a second career choice. I've never felt that with Tanuj, and I really feel sometimes she felt she was doing perhaps the most important job in this bank, second to the CEO, and that came across.
That helps. That's being, you just said some really wonderful and nice things about her. That really does help. See you. Bye-bye. Hi, Ashu.
Hey, hi Neeti. क्या खबर?
तुम बताओ.
Ashutosh, I hear he and Tanuj are really good friends. I'm sure he has some very interesting things and stories to tell us about Tanuj.
So, what's the news?
You tell me. You are the one in the corridor with the phone in your hand. Consultant से बात कर रहा था.
Hey, I'll need to call you back, huh?
अच्छा, तूने खबर सुना?
कौन सा खबर?
You know TK is going to London?
Come on Neeti, last time also you told me and she never went. अगर वो सही में जा रही है, then I think it'll be a big loss because I mean, at least within India, the kind of customization that she's done for the global people agenda, and I can confidently say that most of us understand much more of it than many other HR counterparts in the world. When we are rolling out something, she doesn't roll it out because it's one of the group mandates, but because we really need it.
And what do you think about her going to the group? What impact do you think that will make?
God help the group.
Get us some more interesting news, na? This is all very normal stuff. I mean, this anyone would say. We want the really interesting news, if you know what I mean.
Hi, Archana.
Hey, hi, Neeti. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, just 1 second. Hello? Hi. Just 1 second. Hi.
Did you hear the news?
No, what news?
Are TK is going.
Where? I'll call you back.
She's going to London. She's leaving India and going.
No, I don't believe it. Where? London?
Huh?
ये हो ही नहीं सकता. ये हो ही नहीं सकता. ये हो ही नहीं सकता. Oh my God, what am I going to do? It's so sudden. Yeah, she was on the CKT list of all the senior managers, especially Heredia, you know.
So what do you think about it? What really are your feelings now that she's going?
Oh my God, first of all I have to deal with this news. Ravi, zara pani dena, please, please. You know what I'm going to miss most about it? Immediately the thought that comes to my mind is the high energy, high decibel atmosphere that she creates over here. Oh my God, imagine all that is going to stop.
That's going to be immediately perceptible.
I'm sure some old person will come in her place who will be stuck in the room replying to emails. Not like her,
On the go.
On the go. And of course for the person that she is, I'm going to miss her.
Who's next, you said, Neeti? Andy, is it? Yeah. We're all waiting to hear what she has to say about this.
Hey, hi, Andy. Hi. Working out of MG Road today?
Yeah, I have a meeting with the HR.
Oh, wait 1 second. Hi, Andy.
Hey, nice bag.
You like it? I just bought it recently.
From 2002, when I first moved to HR, Tanuj and I reported to the same boss at that point of time.
So what are you going to feel now that she's going away?
Oh, I don't know. I'm finding it difficult to express. She was a very big support, you see. Looking back, I just think I've developed and grown to where I am, under her guidance. Sometimes you felt you're working with a ticking time bomb.
Really? What does that mean now?
Oh, Tanuj can be temperamental sometimes, but a great person.
Yeah, and she always keeps commenting about your dancing.
Yeah, she actually got me to do the pole